Gay man walking. Oh, there's a free chair to sit on. Oh my god, there's a chair. Okay, no, I'm gonna stay here. This is great. Get away from me. I've done this 100 times. No. Done. Yeah, I'm supposed to pick it out first. Oh no. Yeah. No. Yes. Why don't I remember this? Huh? Let's do this again, shall we? Putting it on back. That makes sense. What? Stop. You fell off. Done. Fuck you. Well, fuck me, really. Hello, it's Ross here. As you probably already know, you just watched me talk in the woods about my emotions for a while. Anyway, if you liked that, you can subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. And also, you can head over to itsrossjackson.com for more content. Thank you for watching. Bye!